The Caret button, which students often refer to as the Exponent button, is circled in white right here on the calculator. Now this is the TI-30XIIS calculator. All scientific calculators have a button like this. Not all of them are labeled the same way or the same position on the calculator, but they all work pretty much the same way. Now this is really small, which is why I drew this enlargement here on my chalkboard of what the button looks like. The caret is this angle that's pointing upwards, that symbol, and above it is the X root symbol, which is what happens if you press the second or shift button on the calculator and use that button. I'm going to show you how to use both. For a reminder, 3 to the power of 4 is 81. 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 is 81. Therefore, the fourth root of 81 is 3. Scientific calculators usually have a square root button and an x squared button. Sometimes they have an x cubed button and a cube root button as well. But in math, sometimes we have to find the root of a number that's not square root or cube root. It could be a higher root, fourth root, fifth root, sixth root, etc. So this button allows us to punch in any root that we need. And it's the same as the exponent, the caret. When we want to bring a value to the power of 2, there's an x squared button for that. If we want to bring a value to the power of 3, there might be an x cubed button for that, depending on your calculator. But sometimes we need to bring a value to the power of 4 or 5 or some other number, and that's where we need this key. So if we're finding what the value of 3 to the power of 4 is, here are the buttons that I push. I press the 3, I hit the caret button, and then I press the 4. I'm saying 3 to the power of 4, and I hit equals and it tells me the answer. It's going to tell me 81. If I'm doing the same process in reverse though, I want to know what the fourth root of 81 is, then these are the buttons I push. I put in the 4 first, then the second, and the caret, so that I'm using this instead of this. Then I type in the 8 and the 1 for 81 and the equals, and it will tell me that the fourth root of 81 is 3 as my answer. This is how we use this button on the calculator when we encounter the type of higher math where it becomes necessary.